My love first time to eat Filipino food. This is alligator. You eat alligator? No, love. This is pork sinigang. It's a sour soup. Okay, you try.
Okay.
It's very sour. What do you think?
Lummy.
Lami? Are you sure?
Yeah. Strange, but lummy.
Some sinigang will put the tamarind.
With rice, it will be perfect.
Yes, with rice it will be perfect. And this dish, we call chop suey. I think this is Chinese cuisine, but Filipino love this one.
What is it?
Chop suey.
Yes. What is it? This is alligator. What is
Lizard. No, seafoods. Okay, you try the chop suey. Lami. Are you sure? Oh, you try the chicken grilled in Philippines. Ay nako, you get the bone part. Love, that's the bone part. You get the... Ay nako. Here is a... What do you think? Compared to European grilled chicken. Lami?
Sweet. This is
Sweet? Do you like it? No. What among these three dishes we have, what sudan you like? Really? The alligator? Okay, love, enjoy your meal.